Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Rwanda together. This is Gatare from the Nyamasheke region. The variety is red Bourbon and the fermentation is a classic natural. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webpage. You need 250 grams of third wave water at 90 degrees Celsius in your kettle. Prepare 16.5 grams of coffee and grind on click 20 of your Comandante. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake it for an even extraction. Now the first pour. 40 grams of water over 7 seconds in circular pouring for the blooming phase to get all the coffee wet and to let the CO2 from the roast process escape. After 20 seconds, 80 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring to release all those fruity and sweet flavors. After 1 minute, the last pour starts of another 130 grams in 15 seconds, circular active pouring ending with a center pour. Swirl at 1 minute and 20 seconds. The total brew time of this lovely coffee from Rwanda is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Enjoy the flavors of blackberry, candied lemon, baking spices and caramel in your cup.